Good morning, good afternoon, Chime family. Thank you all for checking us out. If you noticed in my post the other day, I mentioned that we were going to be conducting a series of interviews of some of the partners that we've uncovered to be, best in class, right? Who we think will bring actual value to your business and help, of course, the Chime community get the best deal for it as well, right? So first up on our interview circuit is Senior Vice President of Verse, Hillary Am. She's here with us today to talk a little bit more about Verse. And instead of pitching your product, and butchering it, I'm just gonna hand it right on over.
Hey, Randy, how are you today?
I'm doing well. How are you doing?
Really good, really good. Thank you for having us, and good morning, Chime fam. We love Chime, been big fans of these guys and this entire platform since seeing it. Oh, I guess about a year and a half ago. We started to really kind of take a look and see what you guys were doing, and it's definitely different and a step up above what's out there in the industry. So. Yeah, I'm with Verse. So if you guys haven't heard of Verse, we rebranded and changed our name to Verse last November. Prior to that, we were known as Agentology. So, if you're familiar with the Agentology brand and the Agentology story, you would be familiar with Verse. You just wouldn't know it yet. If you're unfamiliar with us, just to give you guys a little bit of a history or a background, Verse first started as Agentology, and ultimately we started as a company called My Agent Finder. And we were in the business of working leads and connecting leads with real estate professionals to help them close more deals at the end of the day. Through our journey there, we had a ton of customers ask us, hey, instead of generating the leads, could you just help me work all of my leads? Could you help me set appointments? Could you help me talk to these people? So we figured out how to kind of turn the funnel around and how to start working leads from everybody. And we've been optimizing it ever since then. So we take a highly data-driven approach to lead engagement and qualification. We are the leader in lead conversion in the real estate, mortgage, and solar verticals. And we are expanding to more and more verticals each and every month. Frankly, we are currently in 9 different verticals, working leads from roofing companies to moving companies to if you're generating leads on the internet and you struggle to get to them in a timely manner, we can definitely help you out.